Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the app and ID ready. Start by funding your virtual wallet and confirming the cleared balance. Link a bank or card, note deposit limits and typical 24 to 48-hour holds, and make a small test deposit if unsure. Once done, open the market screen, enter the stock ticker, and glance at price, volume, and one recent headline. This ensures you're not chasing stale information before you place an order. Now decide how you want to buy. Pick market for immediate execution or limit to control price. You'll enter quantity or a dollar amount. If the app supports fractional shares, enter decimals like 0. 5. Make sure to toggle time in force, day versus GTC, and inspect estimated fees or slippage. Once you've set these, preview the order and read the execution estimate. This step prevents surprises and clarifies why price might differ. Hit buy and wait for confirmation. You should see an order ID and filled quantity or partial fills. After execution, save the receipt screenshot and refresh your portfolio to confirm the new position and unrealized P&L. If something goes wrong, pause, check your available balance, the order type you used, whether fractional shares were supported, and the app status page for outages. Retry with corrected settings or contact support with your order ID if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.